Today we are going to talk about ITIN loans. Hello, this is David Xie with the Xie Mortgage Team. What is an ITIN loan, you may ask? But if you're watching this video, you're probably looking for an ITIN loan. An ITIN loan is for residents of our US that have a tax ID number instead of a social security number. And for the longest period of time, it's super hard for you to find ITIN, lenders out there. So you may have talk to other lenders and they're like, hey, we don't offer these products because most lenders offer vanilla products like your VA, FHA, and conventional loans. Recently, I had a customer call in. They are working in the construction industry and they've been working here for about 6 years. They just could not find a loan. The problem that they ran into was the ITIN process. So I did a lot of research on it. And because of that research, I'd love to pass it on to you, the consumer who may be looking for an ITIN loan. The minimum down payment that's typically required on a tax ID number loan or the ITIN loans are going to be 20% down. So that's 80% loan to value. The beauty of the down payment is that gift funds are allowed. So you can have gift funds to contribute to your ITIN loan to cover that 20% down. We will typically need your tax returns to qualify you. Or if you're self-employed, a profit and loss statement, bank statements, or any type of seasoned assets to document the income. We have a lot of people that may get just a separate check that comes in every single month. So if you do get the checks, I would be sure not to just deposit it into or cash out the check. I would be sure to deposit it into the bank account and then you can pull it out so that we can properly document the income. Pretty much we can do a loan for any type of property type. So it could be a single family home, it could be a condo, it could be a townhouse, it can be a manufactured home, it can be a modular home, but it has to be some sort of real property, okay? So you have to be able to live in it and you have to own the land that's underneath the house. So it's fee simple, not a leasehold. These closings are typically gonna take anywhere from 25 to 45 days. It really depends on your different options. And as you guys have heard in some of my previous videos, we've talked about is that I do have access to a bunch of different investors, and some are gonna give you the lowest rate and some are gonna give you the quickest closing. So we can typically talk about what's most important to you, whether it's the service, whether it's the rate, whether it's the closing, and we can kind of come up with a good determination as to which lender would be the best fit. And let me do the shopping for you. Then the terms on the loan. The terms are really important, I know, and these are typically fixed rate mortgages that are offered in 15, 20, 25, and 30-year terms. You can amortize it however you want between 15 and 30 years. And they are fixed rate mortgages, so they're not no adjustable rate mortgages or interest only options. These ITIN loans can be used for purchases and refinances. If you're currently in an ITIN loan, you'd like to look at refinancing, that's absolutely allowed. And we can also do purchases as well. Now, the power of working with a company like Nexa Mortgage is that we do have English and Spanish speaking support throughout the organization. And I also speak Chinese myself. So if you have any questions on the ITIN loan or have been turned down by other organizations because they don't do the ITIN loans, I'd love to help you out. My phone number is 757-478-8493, and my name is David Xie with the Xie Mortgage Team. Please be sure to comment below if you have any questions at all. Love to answer them for you. Please like our channel, subscribe so that you get amazing content like this, and I look forward to talking to you. Bye.